Oh, jeez. You know I had to do it to you. We got that Rick and Morty custom. Season 5 is coming up at the end of June, right around my birthday also. So we got to do a custom for one of my favorite TV shows. Rick and Morty goes crazy. If you don't watch it, you need to start going watch that, alright? You need to check yourself. Don't play yourself. That's my recommendation from me to you. I hope you do that. We need to go ahead and visit C137, alright? If you know, you know. And more customs on the way. The giveaway coming soon. Like, subscribe if you want. Yeah, we about to get into this custom.
Are you done? I'll let you know, Morty. Gone with the wind, am I right? You don't like that one, Morty, and all on that could be. Like if I said Casablanca. Wubba-lubba-dub-dub. Morty. That's my catchphrase, remember? Remember how I cemented that catchphrase? Alright, seriously though. Oh, that's pretty sexy.
There she goes. That's it for the video. I told you it was gonna be short, and I think it came out good. All right, I'm happy with it. I love that contrast between the neon green and the black on the shoe. Goes crazy. And look, if you guys want me to do a certain custom or you want me to talk on a certain type of topic, I got you. I've been thinking about doing another video on how to get that vintage look, because it's still popping off. Probably the most popular it's ever been right now. So a lot of people think they got secret sauce and they don't want to share it. So I think we're gonna have to do it. I think it's only right that I do it for the people. So that's all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed. I got more customs on the way, and that giveaway is still coming. It is loading.